Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing great. I am Mariam. I hope this video is contain both instructive and educational content that is both shareable and is written. I am Mariam. I am a zoologist and I teach zoology. So the first lecture is zoology, so let's start. Wow. Zoology. What is zoology? The zoology world is derived from zoo. Zoo means animals. Logy means study. It means that the study of animals is called zoology. What is the father of zoology? The father of the zoology is the Aristotle. There is so many branches of zoology. There is some discussed here. The main branches of zoology is entomology, herpetology, ichthyology and protozoology. So I read first by first. The first one is entomology. Then entomology, here seen this picture. And this picture, what do you think when you see this picture? When you see this picture, you think that entomology belong to insect. It's mean that the branch of biology, the branch of zoology where we study insect is called entomology. The next one is herpetology. There is a snake, there is a salamander. Wow. Uh, what do you think when you see this snake and salamander? You think that herpetology belong to reptiles and salamanders? Yes, of course. Herpetology is the study of reptiles and amphibians. The third one is ichthyology. The third one is exology. Exology. See this picture and understand. The exology belong to the zoology. Exology belong to the family fishes. Protozoology. The protozoology is derived from the word protozoa. Protozoa is a free living organism. It is also a devastating organism. They move freely. They spread disease. So the branch of zoology where we study the protozoa is known as protozoology. There is a classifications of human beings. Human beings. Wow, it means that we are human. Okay. uh, Classifications of human beings. The scientific classify the species to understand ourselves, to understand myself. Scientists classify the human beings to create a easiness for peoples. The first one is kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primatus, family Hominidia, genus Homo, and species Homo sapiens. The kingdom which human beings belong, the first one is Animalia, the second one is Chordata, the third one is Mammalia, the fourth is Primatus, and the family Hominidia, and the genus Homo, species Homo sapiens. Okay, there's a loads of fly. Here we discuss the classification of some fly. The first one is horsefly and housefly. Now we read the classification of housefly. Housefly, the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Hexapoda, order Dipteria, phylum Basidia, genus Musca, and species is Musca. Okay. There is a horsefly, the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Hexapoda, order Dipteria, family Terminaria, genus Tabinus. Classifications of honeybee. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Hexapoda, order Manipitra, family Apidia, genus Apis, species Apis. There's some method. What is a scientific method? What is a scientific method? The method which is used to solve the problem, biological problem only, not a math problem, not a chemistry problem. The scientific method, the method which is used to solve the biology problem is known as scientific method. There is a different way to, there is a different type of scientific method to, there is a different way to solve the problem. The first one is dependent and the second is independent. Okay, now we discuss about independent variable. Independent variables are being solved in experiment, and the dependent variable uh, measure to determine the outcome of the experiment. These are control variable that could influence the outcome of the experiment and must be held constant in all experiments. Thank you so much.